Have you ever wondered how these tiny fire starters are created? Let's find out. It all starts with wood, usually from poplar trees, and a special mix of chemicals. First, the wood is peeled into thin sheets and chopped into thousands of small splits. Next, the tips are dipped into a chemical paste. This will become the match head. The wet matches are then carefully dried on large racks. While the matches dry, the boxes are printed and folded by another machine. Once dry, the matchsticks are packed neatly into their boxes. And just like that, it's ready to bring a spark of light safely.